Click on the link below to get price. Champion Power Equipment 10059333276 Power Station. This power station is a state-of-the-art portable power station that offers a unique combination of power, versatility, and advanced technology. This lithium-ion battery-powered unit is designed to provide reliable, clean power in a variety of settings, from residential use to camping trips. The power station is equipped with advanced Li-ion battery technology, which delivers fade-free clean power. This means you can use it indoors without worrying about emissions or noise. It's an eco-friendly solution for those who need portable power without the drawbacks of traditional generators. One of the standout features of this power station is its charging options. You can charge it via AC power, DC power, or solar power. This makes it a versatile choice for different situations. Whether you're at home or out in the wilderness, you can keep your devices powered up. The power station is also expandable. You can chain up to 10 expansion batteries to extend your runtime. This is particularly useful when you need to power your home, work, or play for extended periods. It's a feature that sets this power station apart from many others on the market. Another notable feature is its parallel capability. With a parallel kit, you can connect this unit with another Champion power station or a para-link-capable traditional inverter to double your output power. This is a great option for those who need more power for larger appliances or multiple devices. What are some of the standout features? Long-lasting power. The advanced Li-ion battery technology ensures fade-free, clean power. Eco-friendly. No engine means no emissions, no noise, and you can use it inside. Versatile charging options. Charge your power station via AC power, DC power, or eco-friendly solar. Expandable. Chain up to 10 expansion batteries to extend your runtime. Parallel ready. Connect with another Champion power station or a Paralink-capable traditional inverter to double your output power. Portable. Despite its powerful capabilities, the unit is portable and easy to transport. Reliable. Champion Power Equipment is a reputable brand known for its reliable products. Support includes a 3-year or 1,000-cycle limited warranty with free lifetime technical support. Versatile power output. The power station includes multiple outlets for different devices. Quick charging. With as little as a 4.6-hour charge time, AC plus DC, you can quickly get your power station ready for use. Safe for indoor use. Unlike gas-powered generators, this power station can safely be used indoors. Quiet operation. Without an engine, this power station operates quietly, making it ideal for use in quiet environments like campsites or residential areas. High capacity. With a capacity of 3,276 Wh, this power station can power multiple devices for extended periods. Easy to use. The power station is designed for ease of use with clear controls and indicators. Cost-effective. Over time, the power station can save you money on fuel and maintenance costs associated with traditional generators. Technical specifications. Style, 3,276 Wh brand, Champion Power Equipment, wattage, 3,276 watt-hours. Power source, solar or wall-charged recommended uses for product, residential camping item. Weight, 62.8 pounds. Voltage, 120 volts output. Wattage, 1,600 watts. Special feature, portable. Included components, AC charge cable, Easy Connect DC, solar charge harness, color, yellow-gray. Pros and cons. Pros, long-lasting, clean power, versatile charging options. Expandable for extended runtime. Parallel capability for increased power output. Portable and easy to use. Cons, higher initial cost compared to traditional generators. Solar panels for charging are not included, expansion batteries and parallel kits sold separately. Where to buy? The Champion Power Equipment 10059333276 Wh power station is available for purchase on major online marketplaces like Amazon. Please note that prices may vary depending on the seller and location. To conclude, the Champion Power Equipment 10059333276 Wh power station is a versatile, reliable, and eco-friendly solution for your portable power needs. Whether you're at home, at work, or on a camping trip, this power station provides clean, long-lasting power. With its advanced features and expandability, it's a great investment for anyone who needs portable power. Click on the link below to get price.